Alright, so in this video we're going to learn how to install Unity on your system. So you simply go to unity.com and let's see how to download and install Unity 3D. So download. Website may change with time, but once you are ready to download, it will download Unity Hub setup for you. So you run the setup that you just downloaded. It's not going to be a very big file, but now the setup actually starts. Select the location where you want to save it. Initially it says it's going to take 444 megabytes, but it's probably going to take more. So let's go on. So this is just the Unity Hub, which will facilitate you downloading different components from the internet. So we'll run the Unity Hub from the setup. So here's your Unity Hub, and you need an account to sign up. So you can create an account on the Unity website. It's going to take you there. It's a free account. You don't need to pay anything. You just have to enter your email address and log in. So I'm going to do that. Once you log in, things start getting more active. We go down to installing Unity Editor, and it is automatically recommending you a version of Unity 2022 342. We're recording this in 2024, but this is the recommended version, and I'm fine just going to install that. It is going to be something around 6 GB. So let's install Unity Editor. Agree the terms and conditions, and it's going to install Unity Editor for you, WebGL support, and some documentation. I would probably cancel this, and I'll need some additional things to be added to this. So I go to install editor. In addition to official release, this one, I will, when I click on the same release that we just canceled, 2022 342, that is the stable version. When I install this, it's going to give me options what to install along with that. It is by default installing Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2022. I'll just go ahead and play along. I will install Android build support because I want to build games for Android. If you want, you can add iOS build support as well. That is going to help. And we will also need probably WebGL build support and Windows build support as well. So I've selected quite a lot of stuff, and this is going to be some download. So let's continue, and now it will actually start downloading stuff. Agree to terms and conditions of different installations, and sit back and relax while the setup continues. Depending on your internet speed, this will take some time. So if you want to see the progress in detail, you can see it is downloading different tools. This is the list that needs to go through. Visual Studio is required for editing the code, the script that you write in Unity. Actual Unity software is called Unity Editor, so that's the main application that we're installing. Android SDK and Android command line tools are required for building applications, obviously for the Android mobile applications, mobile phones, uh, tablets, even other devices like Android Wear and Android TV. Uh, WebGL build support is required to build Unity 2D, 3D games for your browser. So you could actually build a game, upload it to a web server, and host it on a browser and give the link to your friends. Uh, Windows Build support is for obviously building applications for Windows-based platform. This goes like a exe file that you run on your Windows machine, and all these tools are required for Android development. iOS build support is to build your games for iOS so the apps can run on your iPhone. This will definitely require a Mac to build things and run things on your iOS devices, but I'm just installing the iOS build support on Windows. We can make it we can build the game on Windows, but we'll have to take that folder to a Mac to be able to run it on the iPhone. So these are the tools that we're working on. You can see that there's an SDK platform 34 and SDK platform 33 coming in. These are the latest OS versions available. So that's how the list completes. So now we'll have to wait for the download to complete. So this has not failed. It took a lot of time, and this setup is separately continuing. So I'll continue the setup separately, but rest of the things are installed. I can just accept the terms and conditions and continue. So maybe I took more time to click on the continue button. That's why the installation failed in this list, but you can see the Unity is now installed and we are ready to use it. Looks like the Visual Studio installer is also pretty much complete. So let's wait for a few more seconds. Uh, so this is how you install Unity on your computer. So this was a Unity installer. It is already finding some versions on my system if you do not have one. Update version. So I'll probably not update this because I already have 17.10.5 version already here. So I'll just close this setup for now and I'm ready to use Unity. To use Unity, what you need to do is either you find a new project and start Unity, or you click on the Unity icon on the desktop. So that's how you install Unity on your computer. We have downloaded Unity 2022.3.442 F1. That's all. That's all for the video.